First of all, disconnect internet on your laptop. Now search for Windows Defender setting and open it. Turn off all of these protections for once. Now open the downloaded folder. Double click on disk image. Double click on install as well. In the main window, click on Install Office. It will take a while to install this Microsoft Office on your laptop or your personal computer, so just wait for a while. Once the software is installed, close it. Now go to Utilities and Settings. And you need to connect your laptop with an active internet connection. Once your laptop is connected to the internet, now click on Activate Office. Now wait for a while. The software will automatically activate your Microsoft Office in the meantime, and once the product activation is successful, close it. Now let's open Microsoft PowerPoint to see whether the product got activated or not. Now you will see here that the Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2021, this product got activated. Turn on all of these protections again. And finally, eject the disk. If you liked this video and want to get more videos in near future, make sure to subscribe Muhammad Ismail Official, and thank you for watching this video.